All right, had to turn that off so I don't get copyright infringement. I rescued another stereo from Goodwill. Boy, this thing is grimy. I have a similar one that doesn't work that I bought for like really, really cheap from Goodwill also. I thought for sure, I'm like, yeah, this thing isn't going to work. Somebody took the knobs off of it. And, you look and there's dirt on the knobs. I don't know, if they just had the knobs off of it. But, there's like a little dent right here. But you look down inside of this thing and it is grimy. But it smells like somebody's 80s cologne. So, maybe somebody, actually cared about this thing at one point in time. So, I don't know. I think somebody just threw it in their truck and they're just like, donate it to Goodwill. So, yeah, I got the knobs for it. I mean, it's not like I need more stereos. I got this one here. You find these and you're like, well, there's got to be something wrong with this damn thing, This is got HDMI's and everything on it, and it's like a 2015 or 16 or something. I've had it for a couple years already. I actually paid more for the power conditioner, which really doesn't do anything. It's just kind of cool to have, and I can push the button and turn everything off. And this was a tag that ended up actually being on sale for $1 something because nobody would buy these. So I still have some CDs. And boy, you can fit a lot of CDs in here, let me tell you. So pretty cool. Anyway, yeah, I got plenty of stereos, and we got Onkyo over here. This is the one I usually listen to. It's a true 100 watts RMS. And then if you go 2 ohms, because it's 2 ohms stable, it goes even higher. There you got these JBLs and the Advents into this. This thing sounds pretty good too. But then you get the Bose 401s back here hiding behind all the crap, and then behind here there's a whole bunch of 80s Yamaha stuff. And I really, really like the 80s Yamaha amplifiers. This is just an amp. Down below is kind of their departure in the 90s. This is one of their very first, technically, home theater receivers. So it had like an extra channel or two. But it's still kind of more like a stereo receiver. But I tell you what, man, this thing here, if you ever can find one of these, an A700, it'll be made in about 1984. It'll weigh about 50 pounds. Oh, man, it has a Class A on it and everything. It's just awesome. So, anyway, usually what happens is I'll collect a couple of these and then I just give them away. If it's a really high-end one, I'll try and flip it. Got some other crap up here. Let's see, 70s or 80s Sansui, very, very low model, a G3500. It's like 17 watts per channel. It sounds okay. And then we got a boombox. So, anyways, that's what I do. I rescue these stupid things. Thanks for watching.